5 things a man must feel that will force him to commit to a woman. Women frequently wonder what it is that makes a man desire to commit to a woman. You must comprehend his emotional world. Men, like women, have feelings, and their emotions will be the deciding element in whether or not they commit to a woman. So these are the 5 things a man must feel that will essentially force a man to commit to a woman. 1. He feels ready. Regardless of what your dating app experiences and popular media have led you to think, guys are actually highly committed and are frequently found to be the ones who say, "I love you" first. Men and women just approach long-term relationships differently. This may surprise you. A woman will frequently seek a commitment because she is in love and believes they can work it out. Men, on the other hand, are unique. They do not commit for the sake of love. Men might have quite different priorities when it comes to selecting to spend their lives with one person. Men are hardwired for success and might get obsessed with achieving certain objectives and milestones before they're ready to commit. Every man will have his own goals in mind. There will be common themes, such as he has to feel that he has achieved a certain point in his job, a certain reputation, income level, or even a certain age. When he has achieved his goals, he begins to shift his attention and focus to the next logical step, giving himself the space and time to devote his life to one woman. After they've made up their minds, they usually find their Ms. Right and settle down. 2. A woman with many different qualities. Perhaps I'm being a little ambiguous here, but what I mean by different is the opposite. You can't constantly be the sweetheart and expect a man to fall in love with you. Women with diverse characteristics or attributes do not always act in the same manner. They are prepared for anything at any moment. They adjust to the circumstances. For example, you may have a gorgeous and caring lady who wouldn't kill a mosquito, but there's some heat and a hint of a bad girl lurking beneath the surface. That is the kind of woman a man will commit to. She's the ideal combination of good and bad. You've heard the stories about how some women go for bad men. The same holds true here. Such attributes in a woman are adored by men. Perhaps you have a highly intelligent friend who you'd never guess likes to go out simply by looking at her, yet she's a party animal. That's the kind of woman I'm referring to. When a guy encounters a woman with these opposing characteristics, he can't help but pursue her and try if he can tame her spirit. The fact is that men do not desire a boring, stay-at-home woman who only knows how to do one thing and leads an uninteresting life. You also can't be too nice or too physically beautiful, since it suggests that you're uncomfortable about yourself. They want the best of both worlds, the complete package. I'm sure you are as well. Women frequently believe that men are complex individuals, but this is not the case. Many women wonder if guys can fall in love and be true to only one girl. Yes, but you must be confident in yourself and demonstrate to him that you are capable of becoming whatever you want to be. Don't expect being all sweet and peachy to make the guy fall in love with you. It probably won't. You must also allow him to see the other side of yourself, and don't try to hide it, since everyone has it. 3. A woman who has motherly warmth. It's a well-known fact that men are extremely sensitive to their mothers. In most situations, a guy feels more attached to his mother than to his father. And it is common knowledge that a man's greatest friend is his mother. At the end of the day, even if men don't say it, that's exactly what they're searching for in a woman. The greatest mistake you can make is to think they want someone to feed and bathe them, because guys, believe it or not, can take care of themselves just well. They are seeking someone that is kind and compassionate. Don't get me wrong, expressing your wild side and being adventurous is wonderful, but not all of the time. Men, after all, desire that deep and significant emotional connection. The only way he'll ever be close to you is if you provide a secure environment in which he can express himself freely. You may do this by displaying your kind side and giving him a motherly feel. Men tend to represent themselves as macho and tough, but they also want to feel safe and warm, and it is exactly what they seek in a woman. He's wired to be drawn to women who radiate motherly warmth. 4. Hope and inspiration. The 4th thing a guy needs to experience in order to commit to you is hope and inspiration. that being with you will be better than being alone. He must feel that committing to you on a deeper level would result in a significant improvement in his life over not doing so. So if he makes a bigger commitment to you, are you going to allow him more into your life? Will you be able to do new and better things with him? Will you make deeper connections? Is there anything more that will occur if he commits to you? You want to truly welcome him into your life. Yet, you must also establish your own world because many people disregard their own lives when it comes to dating and relationships. They treat relationships like, I'm a warm body, and I just show up on a date, and there you go. You either like me or you don't. No. How you conduct your life influences how you seem in relationships and dating. This will not be an issue for you if you live your life in a loving, passionate, adventurous, and engaging manner and surround yourself with people you love, do activities you love doing, and go to places you enjoy going. Yet, if you hate the people you meet on a daily basis, if you hate the activities you do, and if you hate the locations you visit, then the way you conduct your life will be an issue for a man. When you can allow him into your world, he will be inspired to commit to you because he will realize that the deeper he commits to you and the more he connects with you, the more into that great, fantastic, incredible, awesome world that he gets to explore. 5. A woman who can roll with the punches. When a woman learns how to deal with difficult situations, he is more likely to fall in love and commit. Essentially, men are drawn to women who can solve problems on their own. At times of crisis, women are frequently misrepresented as being too emotional. I'm not suggesting it's your responsibility to change this stereotype, but you can help fix that perception. Being in a happy and successful relationship entails fighting through thick and thin together. A man wants a companion who does not panic when things get bad. Well, finally, a guy will commit when he feels a strong connection with a woman that he does not feel with anybody else. When he meets a woman who is also his closest friend, making him feel special and unique. Physical attractiveness, sexual compatibility, empathy, and an emotional connection are all important factors in getting a guy to fall in love with a woman and keep him committed in a lifetime relationship. According to one study, it might take 172 days or 6 months for a man to commit and determine they want to marry their girlfriend. Yet, in a study of 2,000 single and dating people, it was shown that individuals have diverse perspectives on how long it takes to commit. However, these are features that can be learned and adapted to, so it's not hard to use them to entice a guy to fall in love with and commit to you. Work on yourself and you'll definitely make it. Hope the video helped. If you find the video interesting, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notification on if you want to learn how to become a high-value and strong woman in all areas of your life. Thanks for watching.